What if the biggest experiment in modern history wasn't conducted in a lab? What if it was conducted on you? In the early 20th century, psychologists and propagandists began discovering something unsettling. People were far less rational than they believed. Fear could move them. Symbols could guide them. Authority could override conscience. One man understood the power of this better than almost anyone: Edward Bernays, Sigmund Freud's nephew, public relations pioneer, and one of the first people to turn psychology into a tool for shaping mass behavior. Bernays realized you didn't need to sell a product. You only had to sell a feeling, a symbol, a fantasy. In one of his most famous campaigns, cigarettes were rebranded as freedom itself. Then came a more disturbing question: not just whether people could be persuaded, but whether they could be made to obey. In a Yale laboratory, volunteers were instructed to deliver electric shocks to a stranger in another room. The screams sounded real. The pain seemed real. And still, most of them continued. The lesson was terrifying. Under the right pressure, ordinary people could be steered into doing things they never imagined themselves capable of. And once governments, advertisers, and political strategists understood that, the laboratory doors never really closed. Emotional triggers became headlines. Fear became campaign strategy. Identity became a product. And outrage became one of the most profitable forces in modern life. Then in 2018, the Cambridge Analytica scandal exposed just how far it had gone. Millions of Facebook profiles had been harvested to build psychological voter profiles, not to inform people, but to manipulate them. The terrifying part isn't that people can be controlled, it's that they can be controlled while still believing they're free. From propaganda offices, to political war rooms, to the screen in your hand, the experiment never ended. It just got better at hiding.